Hi, I am Dr. R. Satyaraja, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy, Dr.M.G.R. Educational Research Institute, Chennai. Allen's test is also said to be as modified Wright's test, which is typically done for thoracic outlet syndrome. Basically here we look for the vascular insufficiency of the radial pulse which indicates the following brachial plexus or the vascular subclavian vein or the artery to be occluded in the in the space which is said to be as thoracic outlet or the space between your clavicle and your first rib. Before going for the Allen's test or modified Wright's test, let's see what is Wright's test. Wright's test improves about your finding the radial pulse, which is of your, I'm taking for the left side of the hand. So you finally palpate the radial pulse. Okay. Slowly the arm is taken at the coronal plane up to the top and is been held, and the radial pulse is felt, and the neck movement is made to be on rotation, check the pulse, or extension. Okay, so rotation. Okay, any other sections when you get a disappearance of the radial pulse indicates the positive sign. We had made the arm to be flexed at 90 degrees. Same, we feel the pulse, and here the shoulder is mildly externally rotated, and you create an horizontal extension and ask the person to rotate the neck to the opposite side, and some mild extension is done. Here the person feels a stress over the thoracic outlet. In this position, what we feel here, there is a stress in the thoracic outlet or over the intercostal space between the first rib and the clavicle, which falls in to compress your costal nerves as well as your subclavian veins, which cause the loss of pulse in the radial artery. So this sign indicates positive. If there is no much vascular sign, there is no vascular insufficiency. Thus, the Allen's test is done to prove that thoracic outlet syndrome with the positive sign of vascular insufficiency rather than of a neurological sign.